Then we'll crochet the beret of the beige kitty with pink yarn. Work into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Insert hook into the loop on mid finger. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on mid finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work 8 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn 1 hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Then work 8 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 7 more single crochets in the same way. Eight single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Insert hook into this marked stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the second loop. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. One set is done. The second set, 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase. The second set is done. Keep working 2 more sets. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally, end with one snip stitch. Work one chain stitch first. Then work set of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 6 times. 1 single crochet, mark the first stitch, then work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One set is done. Keep working 5 more sets. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as one set. We have demonstrated the 2 sets here. Please finish the rest of 4 sets by yourself. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as one set. 6 sets are done. Remove the marker. And work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 2 single crochets, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work set of 2 single crochets, 1 increase for 6 times. The first set, work 2 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Work 1 more single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One set is done. Keep working 5 more sets. Work 2 single crochets and 1 increase as one set. We have demonstrated the 2 sets here. Please finish the rest of 4 sets by yourself. Work 2 single crochets and 1 increase as one set. 6 sets are done. Remove the marker. And work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch. Round 4 is done.